What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Are we still doing this hat fixing thing? As you guys can tell by the title of this video, it's going to be a Van Cleef & Arpels reveal / review video. If you guys don't know, I love bracelets. Bracelets are my thing. I'm not really into watches. I haven't found a watch that I really want, so I just had the Apple Watch. I'm really content with it. For rings, I feel like once I can take them off, I don't want to put them back on. So literally, like, if I don't want to wear it, I just take it off and I put it, away. I don't have my ears pierced, so I don't have any earrings. And for necklaces, I just have this little one right here, and I feel like it gets caught on things, so I just don't want it to yank and pull. But for me, bracelets are my thing, and it just, I just love them. But I wanted to do this review video as soon as I got the bracelet, just because I feel like no one knows about Van Cleef. Everybody knows about Cartier, it's very popular, and I wanted to get something that wasn't so popular. And for the guys out there, don't feel like this is a women's bracelet. Just like women, if you want something, make sure you guys go ahead and get it. Jewelry is unisex, you can get whatever you want. So what really made me get the bracelet was I saw my favorite rapper in it. His name is St. John. If you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with St. John. And he bought the malachite one, or I just spotted him wearing it, and I was just like, yo, now I really got to get this bracelet, even though I wanted it way before then. But anyway, I'm going to tell you guys, my personal opinions about the bracelet. And even if you guys don't really want it, go into the store, go check it out, go try it on, go see if it's your thing. Maybe you might like something else in there. So I live in New York, and I decided to go to the flagship one on 57th and 5th Avenue, right across the street from the Louis Vuitton store. The Van Cleef is attached to Bergdorf Goodman, the women's one, and I just went to that one just because it's more convenient for me. But we also have another one in Hudson Yard. But when I was purchasing it, I didn't even know there was such thing as special packaging. So the flagship one here in New York, this is the bag that I got with my purchase. It does come in this black and gold bag right here, and it says the address right over here in the corner, 744 5th Avenue, New York. And I asked them, why is this holiday packaging? And she said, no, this is just the special packaging for that store. So if you guys are in New York and want special packaging, go ahead and go to the one in New York. The typical one is in like a minty seafoamy green with silver writing, but it's literally just the bags that you can get in the black and gold as well as a box. You can either get this bag or you can get this bag right over here. I'll explain in a few why I got two bags, but you can either get that one or, this one over here. And this is also the box that it came in. This is not a true unboxing. Like I said, I had the bracelet for about a month. It came also with the black and gold ribbon on it, but here goes the box with this little design on it. And then it also says the address right over here to let you know that it's from this store. So then you pick up this little box, and then this flips down, and then you get met with the signature green with the silver foil logo right over here. And the box is like this sort of suede, I guess suede material. And then when you open up the box, I don't want this to fall out, there goes the bracelet. This is how it comes. It says Van Cleef & Arpels right there with this little pillow, and it just comes like right there in the little I guess whatever that thing is called. Like it just comes on this little pillow, and then you can take this whole thing out, and then behind it are these little rivets so it doesn't fall off out of the bracelet. And then also I had this in here, which I'll explain to you in a few. So the bracelet that I got was the 5 Motif Alhambra vintage hammered bracelet in gold. So now this bracelet comes in pink gold. It doesn't come in white gold. It's only for special order, and I am obsessed with this bracelet. My advice to you is, if you want the full packaging, do not go around any popular holidays, and that means do not go around Christmas time, do not go around Valentine's Day, don't go around Mother's or Father's Day, don't go around these popular holidays where everybody, has to buy something for their loved ones. Just if you want to go get it for yourself, just pick a random day and go and get it, just because Van Cleef for some reason runs out of packaging. I don't know why. I don't know if they don't have a packaging per item in the store. I don't know how it works, but I know for Cartier, they have a packaging per item as well as Hermes. I know that for a fact, so that's why they don't give out extra packaging. I had to go to the store twice. So the initial time that I went to the store, I literally just got this stuff with the box and the bag, and I even got my receipt in a regular plain white envelope, not the envelope that I'm going to show you in a few, and that was about it. They said, hey, you know, we were slammed during the holiday season. I think I bought my bracelet December 20 something, after Christmas for sure. So let's finish talking about packaging and then we can move on to everything else. So the second time that I went back to the store, which I'll explain in a few, they finally had the envelope receipt holder, which is what you get, you know, your receipt placed in. Here's how it looks. It says Van Cleef Arpels right here with the two little butterflies, and then on the back it says the little logo. So when you open it up, you get your essays card in here, which if you guys are ever in New York, make sure you guys go see Song. She will legit show you anything that you want to see. And it's not like she was trying to sell you. I love genuine sales associate who is not trying to push a sale on you or who's not trying to sell you. They're just like cool people trying to help. But I kind of knew what I wanted already, so she didn't really have to show me much. So here is the receipt holder, and let me show you what it comes with. So it came with this little paper talking about, like, you know, imports and duties and taxes and things like that. And then here is the receipt over here. It has some of my personal information on it, so I'm just gonna, like, you know, kind of, you know, show you guys that right there. There goes the price. So the pricing of this particular bracelet costs $3,900 with a tax in New York, which is 8.875%, with a grand total of $4,246.13. That's the, you know, price of the bracelet. And then they replenish the pouches, which is, this is how their own looks. It comes in this iconic green, just like the box, with the little logo right here. And then you open it up, and then you pull this little board thingy out, and then it comes with this little green thing that you can put the bracelet in right there and hold it down and put it away while you're traveling, just in case you want to do that. And then here's their authenticity card, which comes in this little booklet right here, and it opens up like that. So this little book in the middle is just like care services and you know, things like that, which I'm not going to read this book. And then here is their big authenticity certificate right over here, which, you know, this is how it looks, and it says my stuff right there, but I'll show you this much. And that's really all I got with it. I was trying to get the dust cleaning cloth, but they ran out of that and they didn't know when they were going to get it back. But I wasn't too bothered just because I had so many other cleaning cloths that, you know, is really unnecessary. So the reason why I went back to the store was to get the bracelet resized. So, like, you know, the bracelet comes in one size, and that is 7.2 inches, like, you know, in length, and that's about 18 centimeters, you know, around. And my wrist measures 16.5 centimeters. I kind of have like tiny wrists. I got the Love bracelet in a size 18, and then I have the Jouan Clou in a size 17. And then this one was just dangling too much. Like when I first put it on, it was like reaching up to here, which I didn't want a dangly bracelet just because I felt that it was going to get caught on something and pop, and I didn't want that to happen. So they do free adjustments within the 3 months that you get the bracelet, so make sure you guys go ahead and get that done, or you're going to have to pay $180 after. The only thing that kind of sucks is you can't get as much as you want taken out. So they only have like 2, 3, 4, and I think that's about it. Just because they want the bracelet to be, you know, evenly distributed between the clovers. I got 2 taken out, so now it fits perfectly. So here's a bracelet, and I'm gonna put it on like right here. Let's see if I can get it on by myself, you guys. Boom. And then there it goes on, you guys. Again, I got 2 links taken out, and that really means 4 because like they consider 1 link 2. So here are the links, and they give it back to you, and then you can put it back in the bracelet whenever you want to. The other complimentary services that you get is, like, of course, free cleaning and also free engraving. So if you guys do want your jewelry engraved or, you know, cleaned, you can. Let's talk about different Alhambra motifs, just in case you guys prefer shopping online or don't have a boutique next to you. The bracelet does come in 4 different clover motif, whatever you guys want to call it, sizing. The first one is a sweet one, which is very, very tiny. It comes in at 9.5 millimeters for the clover. The second one is a vintage one, which is the one that I got right over here, which measures 15 millimeters. The third one is a pure, which is like, you know, typically the stone is covered in gold, smooth gold, which is 16 millimeters. And last but not least, the magic one, which is the biggest one, is 26 millimeters. So that's just a different sizing just in case you guys were wondering. So the reason why I got this one opposed to the other one that I was thinking about was because of, you know, the lifestyle that I live. I typically don't take off my bracelets. I literally only took them, like a lot of them off for this video, but I typically don't take them off. I like to wear them, like, you know, in the shower. I wear them to the gym. I wear them in the pool. I wear them, like, you know, everywhere. And they said that the stones, like onyx or mother of pearl or tiger's eyes or malachite, the stones can shrink in water or chlorine or anything like that. The only con that I have to say about the bracelet is that it's going to be scratching my other bracelets. Again, I know it's a first world problem, but literally I don't have anything bad to say about the bracelet. I feel like the price is phenomenal. Like, you know, it's really expensive, but it's still better than, you know, other brands out there. You get so much different variety, whether you want to choose between different golds, whether you want to choose between different stones. And honestly, like, it's beautiful, and that's just what I have to tell you. I'm going to leave everything down in the description box down below, so if I haven't mentioned anything, definitely go ahead and check out the description box down below, and let's have a comment party. Like, do you guys love bracelets? Do you guys love rings? You know, do you have Van Cleef? Have you ever heard of them? You know, do you want one? And then let me know also, do you guys want me to do, like, you know, a full collection? I'm not too sure if I'm going to show that, but, you know, just let me know any thoughts down in the comments down below. But I hope you guys have an amazing day. Peace. Bye.